For years, Dr. Yamanaka and his research team had worked hard to find a different way to create tissue. In 2007, they finally succeeded in creating heart muscle tissue from skin cells taken from a person's face. The method they used was to first add 4 specific kind of genes to the skin cells in order to return them to their original state, a state similar to egg cells. They then put those cells into the special liquid to make them grow into the heart muscles tissue. The 4 genes they used to reset the cells were found among the more than 2 million genes and are now called Yamanaka factors. The initialized cells that can grow into cells of any body parts were named iPS cells. Dr. Yamanaka's findings enhanced studies in tissue engineering. iPS cells can be used for treating virus disease and injured by being transplanted into body parts that are damaged or not in good conditions. For example, if your heart were not working well due to damaged heart muscles, doctors could first correct some of your cells by cutting out a very small sections of your skin. Next, they would change the skin cells into iPS cells and make them grow into muscle cells. Last, they would transplant them into your heart. Dr. Yamanaka's team was the first to publish its method of creating human iPS cells, but only just barely. An American researcher named James Thompson published a similar paper in Science, but Dr. Yamanaka's appeared online first. If it had been posted just one day later, the honor of having made such a wonderful discovery would have gone to Dr. Thompson's instead. Researchers around the world are now competing to put this technology into practice. Dr. Yamanaka, who shared the 2012 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for this achievement, says this kind of competitions is a good thing for patients who are waiting for the practical use of the technology. In 2014, the world was surprised at the news that eye tissue created from iPS cells had been transplanted into a patient who had serious eye disease. There are also made studies in progress on creating internal organs. For example, in 2015, a miniature kidney that had all the necessary cells for kidney to functions was created. In the near future, doctors will be transplanting such miniature kidneys into human bodies. For the time being, they can be used for experiments such as testing for side effects of new types of medicine. Today, iPS cells are in the research stage to be used to treat disease or injuries of heart, eyes, brain, nerves, and blood. The spinal cord has also been added to this list as Japanese government approved the use of iPS cells in 2019 for treating patients with spinal cord injuries. Patients who have completely lost their ability to move their body due to accidents may be able to stand on their own 2 feet in the near future. Doctors and researchers inside and outside Japan are working hard to provide their patients with the best treatment as quickly and safely as possible.